There are four types of AI trading. Type number one, AI-powered ETFs. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. An EFT is a diversified portfolio that includes a variety of stocks, bonds, and commodities. So this type of trading uses AI algorithms to manage investments. Type number two is AI stock pickers. This type replaces financial advisors in managing funds. The third type is AI-driven risk management. These type of programs use AI to monitor and mitigate potential losses during market volatility. The last type is trading robots. These are automated programs that execute trades based on preset rules. AIIS specializes in trading robots. In the future, I will share with you the different types of robots AIIS members have available to invest in. It's a long list of robots. As a matter of fact, AIIS has more robots now than when I started, and I consider myself new to the company still. And as strange as this may sound, a couple of the robots created by AIIS look like the robotic cousins of the Labubu dolls. If you don't know what Labubu dolls are, they are the most popular collectible toys on the market right now, and they look like mini cute monsters. So some of the robots AIIS have look like mini cute robots. And since I am a storyteller, I write books, I write screenplays, I write plays, I can probably write a story about AIIS robots and emphasize how cute they are. Don't mind me. My imagination is working overtime. But anyway, I digress. Let's move on to the benefits of AI trading. Benefit number one. AI trading is efficient. AI can analyze data and execute trades much faster than humans. Next, AI takes emotion out of the equation, and I mentioned this in the previous video about what is AI and AI trading. AI does not make decisions based on emotions. That leads to more rational and disciplined trades. Next, AI doesn't need to sleep. So it operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When members rent AI bots, you get a ROI, return on investment, every 24 hours. So the last AI bot that I bought was called the Job Aid Bot. And it just so happens that I bought the bot on a Thursday at 4 p.m. And you rent this bot for 15 days. So every day at 4 p.m., I would make money on my investment. That is how the bot is programmed. So when these bots work around the clock, they can take advantage of global markets. Number four, accuracy. AI can identify patterns and trends that people might miss, potentially leading to more profitable trades. Number five, a decrease in costs. Automation can reduce the need for people and other resources. Therefore, there is a decrease in costs. Thanks a lot for watching. Click the subscribe button below for future notifications. Click the like button to share this content with other AI investors. AIIS is now looking for AI traders and entrepreneurs. So if you know an AIIS investor in your area, don't be shy. Ask them how you can get started. Take care.